Man beef, man beef, man beef, man beef, man beef, man beef. If you want to know what man beef is, stick around on today's video. We're going to show you.
Roll the intro.
What's up, my keto friends, and you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video on this channel. If this is your first time visiting this channel and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and also other keto related topics, make sure you click that subscribe button. It's the big red button that says subscribe. Also, over to the left, there's a little bell. Click the bell icon and also the word all so you don't miss any notifications when we upload good ketogenic content on this channel. Like I said in the hook, man beef. What is it? Why are we cooking it? And why is it called man beef?
It's not.
It's a great question.
It's not beef. It's actually pork sausage.
Well,
Look,
it's a dish that I came up with, and it seemed manly. It was because we're in the middle of our Tailgate Series, by the way, Roll Tide.
Yes.
And they're 4-4. What does that mean?
5-0.
5-0.
Byron's not much of a football enthusiast.
Well, I am. I like my team. I just forgot what it was called. 5-0.
Yeah.
Anyway, since we're in the middle of our tailgating series, which we're giving you keto recipes that you can take to your tailgating parties, and they are specifically centered around the football season, which we're in right now. And I came up with this little thing called man beef because I made it. It was inside a croissant shell, and it was just delicious.
Yeah, and for some reason, it's just a manly sound. Yeah, this is some man beef, and it's really pork sausage.
Yeah, it's sausage, but man beef stuck because everybody's like, "Hey, you gonna make that?"
My brothers. I have 3 older brothers, and so they all just like gobbled it up.
Yeah, hey, you gonna make that man beef again this year? And I was like, well, yeah, sure, it's easy.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's a thing that I didn't create it. I don't know where I got it from.
You got it from me.
Did I get it from you?
But, yeah.
But we looked online and found out that it's called
it's like a sausage casserole.
Cream cheese casserole or something.
Sausage.
Now, we'll say this. In preparing this, we're going to show you that we're using something a little different. A something?
Yeah, because, I mean, we probably could have found a keto croissant, which we probably should have done, but we enjoyed the garlic biscuit so much, we thought, let's try it with some garlic biscuit layers.
Yeah. So typically I would have taken a Pillsbury roll of croissants, rolled them out, threw the man beef in it, and cooked it that way. Since we're keto-fied, we can't have the Pillsbury anymore because of the we don't like that little tub thing right there. But like Susan said, we like those cheesy garlic biscuits that we made about 2 months ago. You can probably click a card right above us to find out how to make those. But we were like, you know what? Let's put the sausage inside that and see how it tastes. And we're going to find out at the end of this video. So here we go.
Let's get to making. And for today's recipe, we have 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of whey protein, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and for the filling, we're using 16 ounces of cooked sausage, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 1 cup of cheddar cheese.
All right. Okay, as you just saw, oh, it tipped over. As you just saw, we've cooked the biscuits. We showed you how to cook them. We put the man beef in the middle, which is actually AKA sausage.
Casserole, something. I don't know.
We've let it cool so that we can
got
actually.
a little bit crusty right here.
We've let it cool so you can actually eat some of it. Now, this is true reaction because we've not tasted this particular recipe of man beef without using a croissant roll.
Yeah.
Because this is our first time, so this is going to be interesting. So you can either pick it up, and you know what? Some people have said they like this with eggs, like a breakfast casserole.
Yeah.
But we haven't. So, oh, dink it. Okay, right, here we go. Almost looks like corn.
You know what?
What are you talking about?
I think we should have done an extra thing of sausage. It's really good. But
that is delicious. That's better than my original.
It's very good, but I think I would have liked a little bit more
I think I just
sausage.
ate some of my hair. Is that a thing with women?
Oh.
Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, you're right. The ratio
Because
of
the
bread
bread
to sausage, it outweighs the sausage.
Oh my gosh.
Because when we did the croissant, it's really thin. The layers are thin. It doesn't rise that much. So the sausage always outweighs the croissant. This is totally different. If we would have used
Another 16 ounces.
16, yeah. This.
Oh my god, that's really good.
The garlic cheese biscuit with the sausage, this thing's popping like pogo sticks. Yeah.
Popping like your knees walking upstairs. Okay, that's good. I like that.
Wait, I'm gonna eat some of this.
That's
later.
a winner.
We're gonna eat some of that in a minute. So that right there we call man beef.
Not man beef though.
But if you want to call it that, you're welcome to call it that. I'm just saying.
Copyright.
It's not a problem to call it man beef if you make this for your family. Especially in the tailgating season that we're in. That is a great treat to bring over to somebody's house and they go, "What the heck is that?"
I thought it was going to be a lot drier than what it really is. I thought it was going to be like, but it's not. If that's a thing.
It really tastes good. All the ingredients are just the cheese. I can taste the biscuit, the garlic, the sausage is popping through. It's a good combination.
But I would, like I said, add another thing of
Next
sausage.
time I make this, definitely.
Or maybe even just a half a thing of sausage and another half a thing of cream cheese.
Yeah.
What was that?
Is somebody making bread? I don't know. Anyway, that's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this cream cheese sausage casserole, aka man beef. Hope you make it for your family. If you do, give us a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you share this video, and also, if you haven't subscribed, do that as well. And also follow us on social media. You can find out how to do that right at the end of this video. You got 20 seconds to look at that, so you got to write it down fast. So it's a problem. I'm just kidding. It's in the description. You can just click on it and go there. But remember, until next time, keep it man beef. You knew that was coming.
I thought you were going to say keep it beefy.
Oh, that is better.